What if you could generate images and videos for your game without having to deal with an artist? As you're an indie developer, you may not have the money to hire an artist. So in today's world, it's possible, and we're going to be using Higgsfield AI to do it. So first off, go to Image tab, create image. As you can see, I've created some posters and this energy drink poster for our game, and this newspaper clipping, which was then modified further with no background and clean format. It's looking even more cleaner and can be used in the game. And then I used this image of the 3D model for this character and then turned it into this image for his 18th birthday. So we can create lore using these images for the game, and we can generate images like so. Okay, first off, you can upload any image you want. Like, I'm just gonna delete it for now, and you can upload any image using Google Nano Banana Pro and select aspect ratio, which is going to be 16:9 for now. And you can generate images in batches, so it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 4 images. If you hit unlimited, you're going to be put into a queue. It's going to take longer, but unlimited. It's unlimited. But if you turn it off, it's going to be instant. You'll be put into a priority queue. So explore the castle in this image. Let's see. We can also, I'm going to show you how to create a video from this image, okay? That could be used inside the game. Like, it could play on a TV, and usually it's going to help. As you can see, it's exploring the castle. We're inside it, and there are knights, and it looks pretty real. And the quality, you can also select the quality from here. 1K, 2K, and up to 4K. Like, can you believe it? To 4K. Now let's go to the video tab and create a video. So you can select a variety of models from this menu: Higgsfield, Light, Standard, and Turbo, or OpenAI's Sora models, Google VOs, all these models. We're going to use 2.6, and duration. You can have up to 15 seconds, like that's 7 seconds more than the Google VO can generate. Like, wow. And the quality can be set up to 1080p, and it's gonna eat some more credits, but it's worth it. But now let's stick to 720p, and also you can have multi-shots. And then you have this enhance on or off. So this way, if you have a vague idea and your prompt is not up to mark, you can just turn on enhance, and it's gonna make the vibe for you and instruct it in a better way, so it generates a better output. So let me show you my videos that I made. History, okay. Your
18th birthday! Thanks. Seriously.
And also this one.
18th third birthday. Woo! Oh! Thanks. Seriously.
So we can improve these videos with more better prompting and put them into the game. So that way you have more lore and character. So that's not it. I'm going to show you something else. We can generate game trailers using this model. And it's going to use multi-shots. Quality would be 1080p for now. Duration would be 15 seconds. Let's try it out. Okay, look at the prompt. It's a long prompt. And let's see how much uncensored it can get, because it's for a horror game. Okay, it looks like it's pretty uncensored. So, that was that. You can totally improve on it, again, using a better prompt. Enhance, with enhance on. You can see that this clip was 15 seconds long. Also, you can go back to create image. And if you think about it, sometimes we need textures for a wallpaper in the game. A realistic wallpaper for a room. Actually, I should have added texture to it. Quite a realistic wallpaper room for a room with texture. Well, now it's in progress, and let's see what comes of it. Okay, as you can see, we need to instruct it so that it's just the wallpaper. Let's see. Yeah, that's better. We can totally use this one. And it's cracking, so it's more realistic that way. So you can convert this into UE4 material and then use it in a decal, right? And then, put the decal on the wall, and voila, you got a wall with this wallpaper. Isn't that great? So that's it for this video. Meet you in the next one, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.